Mobile data collection using Kobo Toolbox. In this tutorial, we are using Humanitarian Response Server. Create an account in the Kobo.humanitarianresponse.info. Then, log in using your credentials. Once inside the Kobo Toolbox, click New and select the option Upload an XLS form. Import the XLS form by either dragging or selecting from your computer. Input project details and then click Create Project. Click Deploy. To have a preview of the survey form, select View and click Open. The survey questionnaire form is now previewed, such as questions regarding enumerator's ID, respondent's location, etc. To deploy using mobile devices with Android app, select the Android application. In your mobile devices, select the Android application, Kobo Collect app, and install it. Then, enter the server URL https://kc.humanitarianresponse.info and your username and password. Open and quote, Get blank form and quote, and select this project. Then, click Fill blank form to enter the data. For the description of the XLS form, access it in https://xlsform.org/en/. For sample of the XLS form being used in humanitarian settings, you may copy it from the WASH cluster website. In the WASH assessment implementation, select View. Develop indicators and questionnaires. Then go to Field Examples.